guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a fun video because I get to go home from college tomorrow because it is spring break. I'm so excited. So in today's video I'm going to be packing and showing my trip home, which is just a car ride, but I thought I'd film it because why not? I'm just really excited to go home. I'm so excited to see my family, my boyfriend, and all my friends. Like 2 friends, but like whatever. Yeah, I'm just really excited to go home, and bear with me, I'm a little sick. This is the 3rd time I've been sick in the past 4 weeks, so it's not fun. I don't know what's going on with me, but I'm sick, so deal with it. So yeah, I'm going to be packing. I don't even know what I'm packing home because it's 5 of us in the car, and all 5 of us can't bring like a lot of things because then it wouldn't fit in the car, you know what I mean? So I think I'm just gonna bring 1 duffel bag and a backpack. So I'm gonna start packing now. Before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get packing. So I think I'm gonna take this thing, so I gotta, I don't know, okay, I got it out. I think I'm gonna be able to fit everything in here, and then just a backpack for like my laptop and stuff. The last time I went home, I opened my bag and there was a bug in it, and that is the grossest thing ever. So I just checked this bag. I don't know, I hope there's no bugs in it because it was like on my shirt. Oh my god, it was the worst thing ever. What do I take home? These are just like sweatshirts and stuff and pants. And then I have my whole drawers. So like, I'm only home for a week, so make sure I don't overpack, guys. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing jeans when I go home. So hi, definitely this pair. I wear this pair the most, and these could stay. I also am a big pant guy. So I'm probably gonna take these because these are the ones I wear the most. Gotta bring this shirt with me. It's one of my favorites. So yeah, okay. Hi. Okay, Static. How are ya? Okay, so now for shirts. Here's the thing. I'm going to my friend's college over the break to visit, and we're probably gonna go out one night, so I need like nice clothes, but like I don't really have nice clothes, so yeah. So I don't really know what I'm doing over break, so I don't even know what clothes to bring back, you know what I mean? So I just realized I have to do laundry, and I don't know if there's any dryers and washers open, but I'm gonna have to do that because a bunch of the stuff in my basket I have to bring home. I guess I'll go put my clothes in the wash right now. What time is it? 3:05. Yeah, I'm gonna go put my clothes in the wash, and yeah. Okay, so like in my school we only have like limited dryers and washers, obviously, and when like it's done, some people don't show up for their clothes and I need to put my thing in there, so I always contemplate like taking their things out because like I'm always scared that they're gonna like walk in while I'm taking it out and be like, oh hi, but I did it anyway and they didn't walk in, so it's fine. My camera's gonna die. What's new? So I'll be right back. Hi guys, so it is move out day for spring break and I'm so excited. My roommate just left, but that's okay. Yeah, so I just finished packing. I had to pack my makeup and stuff and like unplug outlets when they check the room and stuff. So I'm pretty ready, but I'm like an hour early. I think we're leaving at like 4 and it's like It's like 2:45 right now. I have nothing to do now, so I'm probably just gonna go watch YouTube. I'll keep you guys updated for what I'm doing next. Alright guys, so it is time to go home. I'm so excited. I have one duffel bag and then my backpack, which has my like laptop and makeup in. So hopefully this could fit in the car. We have to leave our curtains open, so like I'm like double checking everything. The window has to be shut and locked, but like it's mad hot in here, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I'm gonna forget. I just have to put my laptop in my bag, my wallet in my bag, and I'm good to go. Hi! 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 Hello guys, I'm finally home. It is 10:45. That was like one of the longest car rides in my life, but I'm so happy to be in my own room. And you already know I'm getting Taco Bell literally right now. You're singing her song.
Yeah, you got stuck in my head. It's not my fault. What's going on? It's your boy Dashy.
What?
It's gonna spill.